name is Philemon, and in this video I am going to teach you how to insert page breaks in Microsoft Word. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Alright, so there are instances that you would have a document whereby you would want the few preliminary pages to be, let's say, Roman numerals, where you have the I, and the rest. Then you have the other pages. You want the other pages to have Arabic numerals, which is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, to do that, you would have to insert page break, where you break the document so that it gives you different sets of page numbering styles. Okay. Now, to do that, first ensure that you have inserted page numbers. So let's insert page numbers first. So in inserting page numbers, you go to insert on the toolbar, then you come to page number here. Now, for the purposes of this training, I am choosing the bottom option. So you come to the bottom option, then you choose any of the styles. Now you realize that this gives us 1, 2, 3 for the page numbers. Okay, so the 1, 2, 3 for the page numbers runs through, but let's say we want the first few pages to be Roman numerals. So we go back to the insert tab, then we come to page number. Because it's inserted 1, 2, 3, which is Arabic numerals, we want to format it. So you go to format page numbers, then inside the number format you select the one that you want. It is Roman numerals, so we are choosing it. Then we start at 1. Okay, so you realize that the whole page numbering changes to Roman numerals. Now let's say that you want the body of the work. Okay, after the table of content and all that, you want the body of the work to have 1, 2, 3. Okay, now in doing so, be on the last part of the points that you want to begin from. So if you want to start your new page numbering from page, let's say sheet 2, then be on the last page, which is sheet 1. So be on sheet 1, then inside the sheet 1 you go to layout. Okay, you go to layout on your toolbar. Now on the layout you find breaks, so just click on the drop down arrow, then you come down, you choose next page, section breaks, then you choose next page. Okay, so when you click on the next page, it automatically creates the page break, but you wouldn't see. Now if you want to see the page break, come to the home tab, then you click on this bottom here, then you realize that there is a section break over here, so that is the page break. Now you realize that because you've already inserted the Roman numerals, it begins from 1 again from your next page, but we do not want Roman numerals on the next page. We want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you click anywhere on the fresh page that you have created or that you want to begin your 1, 2, 3 from. Then you go back to the insert. Then again, you go to page number. Then you come to format page numbers again. Then inside the number format, you select the 1, 2, 3 that you want, and you want to begin from 1. So starts at 1. Then you click on it. That's all. Then it changes throughout the work. So you realize that the upper part of the work would have the Roman numerals, then the lower part of the work would have the Arabic numerals. And this is how you can insert page break in 2 minutes. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our pages for more information on this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.